No, I was trying to get a later time just because I had no contact from my own apartment. I haven't been home in like 4 months.
You're trying to get a what time?
A later time. But if it's not possible, then
A later time like what?
like, you know how it's 1 p.m. today? Like, since I can't go home, I've been having to travel from Detroit out here because I have no contact at the address.
Oh, so you wanted for a final settlement conference and jury selection?
Yeah, I want.
No, they're always in the morning.
Okay, that's fine. I'll make happen.
Court does call the case. People versus Juwan Campbell.
Alexander on behalf of the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Campbell.
It's Dejan Campbell. Sorry, Your Honor.
Dejan Campbell.
Your Honor, may we set this for final settlement?
Jury final settlement conference will be April 10th, 2026, 9 a.m. Jury selection, if necessary, will be April 13th, 2026, 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person. We'll continue. Thank you.
It's already set.
Okay. You guys done?
No, I was saying I was trying to get a later time just because I had no contact from my own apartment. I haven't been home in like 4 months.
You're trying to get a what time?
A later time. But if it's not possible, then
A later time like what?
like, you know how it's 1 p.m. today? Like, since I can't go home, I've been having to travel from Detroit out here because I have no contact at the address.
Oh, so you wanted for a final settlement conference and jury selection?
Yeah, I want.
No, they're always in the morning.
Okay, that's fine. I'll make happen.
All right.
Okay. Hey, we don't play with you.
Who?
Everyone.
I'm such a nice guy. I don't.
No, you are. You let me go.
I did. I let you go home. I can show you how mean I can be. Mr. Allen? No, what?
All right.
Oh, thank you for that backhanded compliment, I guess. I don't know. Court 10th and 13th. Court calls the case People versus Eric Champion. Take your hat off before you get it. See, that's how you get in trouble.
Hey, don't throw it away.
All right.
Jeremy Glick appearing with and on behalf of Mr. Champion, who's standing to my right. Can you state your name and take your hands out of your pockets?
Yes, Eric Champion.
Yeah. All right, what are we doing?
Could we approach briefly, Your Honor?
Oh, no. Every time Glick wants to approach, something goes like sideways. Come on. Yes.
I really just want to ask how your day is going.
Oh, is that what it is? Should reflect we've had a bench conference in this case. I'll set jury final settlement conference on this matter for April 10th, 2026 at 9. Jury selection, if necessary, will be April 13th, 2026 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person.
Thank you very much, Your
All
Honor.
right, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
Court calls the case People versus Christopher Seelig.
Alexander on behalf of the people.
Your Honor, David Rudoy on behalf of Christopher Seelig, who is present via Zoom. For the record, we consent to this hearing being conducted
brought all
via
those people
Zoom and
with
thank
him?
the court for allowing it.
Hi. Well, I cleared out half the courtroom. All right. Okay, what are we doing on this case?
Your Honor, at the appropriate time, I'd like to make a request as to bond, and we would like to set this for a final settlement conference.
Jury final settlement conference, April 10th, 2026, 9 a.m. Jury selection if necessary, April 13th, 2026 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person. As to bond.
As to bond, Your Honor, I would note that Mr. Seelig has been on bond for approximately 3 months without a single violation. He is on a tether currently. Part of his bond conditions are not to enter Washtenaw County. His grandson is a patient at U of M hospital and it's a newborn, and he has had to go there a few times. And Mr. Seelig wishes to be able to enter Washtenaw County if his grandson is sick, to be able to attend the hospital. It's happened a couple of times and he's been unable to attend. And secondly, Your Honor, he is requesting the ability to go on a trip to Orlando, Florida from February 27th to March 8th. And I was hoping Your Honor would allow for that. That would just be for purposes of a vacation.
You going to see that mouse? Sir, are you going to go see that
So, yeah.
mouse?
Yes.
No, Universal
Oh, good.
Studios.
Because I don't like him. So as long as he's not going there, we're good. Go ahead. What?
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Hang
Those
on
are
a
the
second.
two requests.
Let me ask for the people's response.
Your Honor, as to the, to both, I will leave in the court's discretion.
Okay. Sir, normally with your grandchild, do you get notification of that they're at the hospital or something along those lines?
I do. My daughter currently doesn't drive, so she's always having to find another way to the hospital. It's been a few late night incidents where I just needed to, go take her, and I haven't been able to take her and my grandson to the hospital. They've Ubered before even, so I mean, it's kind of a messy situation that I have to say no because I can't enter Washtenaw County.
Is and all of the child's care, is that at U of M?
It is at U of M, Mott's Hospital.
Got it. Okay. Indicate is as an exception to his tether that the defendant may travel to Washtenaw County to go to Mott's Children's Hospital. Counsel, I'll need an order to that effect. And then I'll also indicate defendant may travel to Orlando, Florida. Are the 27th, are those including your travel dates, the 27th and the 8th?
Correct.
All right. He may travel to Orlando, Florida, February 27th, 2026 through March 8th, 2026, as long as he's not going to see the mouse.
Thank you so much,
Don't
Your Honor. I'll
put that in the order. I guess I can't do that. Don't put that in.
Okay. Thank you so much. Your
I'll
Honor.
let him go on his word. All right.
All right. Great
Thank
day.
you, folks.
Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Jeremy Rice.
And then on behalf
I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Rice, Your Honor.
Your name, sir?
Jeremy Rice.
Final settlement conference, please.
Jury final settlement conference, April 10th, 2026. 9 a.m. Jury selection if necessary, April 13th, 2026 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person. Bond will continue.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls the case People versus Cortez Triblet.
Alexander on behalf of the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Cortez Triblet.
Your name?
Please set a final settlement in April.
Jury final settlement conference. Seeing a pattern. April 10th, 2026, 9 a.m. Jury selection if necessary, April 13th, 2026, 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Court calls case People versus Anthony Williams.
Alexander on behalf of the people.
I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Williams, Your Honor. State your name. Williams. Your Honor, we've gone over the pre-sentence investigation report with him. We don't have any deletions, corrections, or additions at this time. I would ask the court for a short adjournment. I just received the request for restitution and documentation for the 2,200 in restitution, and I'd like to share it with him.
What do you mean you just received it?
I asked Ms. Pilar for it, and she was kind enough to provide me with it, the breakdown. But I didn't share it with him at the time I went over the recommendation.
Your Honor, I had emailed it prior, but I don't think that he had the hard copy documentation. I gave it to him.
All right, well, let me do this. Let me pass the matter. So and if there's a problem, then I look at those things.
So you can have a seat and we'll talk about this if you want to.
All right, so you can look through it. Thank you, sir. Court calls the case People versus Caitlyn Morgan.
Alexander on behalf of the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Caitlyn Morgan.
Teresa Claire on behalf of probation. Your Honor, is Ms. Morgan present? I did not waive her.
She is not.
Is she on Zoom?
She is not.
Your Honor, Ms. Morgan was aware that she did have a court hearing today. I do know, she is reporting. She's still in the midst of trying to get her disability straightened around. I do know when I spoke with her as recently as last week, that she was having family, I think it was her grandmother that was in the hospital. So I'm not sure if that is why she's not here.
Why don't I do this? Let me adjourn this to March 2nd.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
And she's reporting. Adjourn this to March 2nd, 2026, 1 p.m.
Thank you.
Court calls the cases versus Roman Williams.
Alexander on behalf of the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Williams in 1243. He has other counsel in the other matter.
Teresa Claire on behalf of Mr. Williams, please excuse me for the record.
Roman Williams.
Thank you.
Teresa Claire on behalf of probation. Your Honor, Mr. Williams is scheduled for review hearing. Mr. Williams has completed the programming component, actually in both cases. However, he has not complied with the court's order with the payment plan. The last time Mr. Williams was before this court, I believe in November, the court had indicated to him to pay $275 and then 2 weeks later pay $275 and then set up a payment plan with him of $50 per week. And probation has always been concentrating on the case ending in 1243, given that there is a large balance of restitution. I've not done anything with any of the monies owed on the other case because I've been wanting him to concentrate on me. I know that Mr. Williams had a communication when I asked about his failure to pay. That my problem with Mr. Williams is that he does not respond to me very kindly. So I don't like that. I'd like to know at least what's going on. And also we want communication so the court is aware Mr. Williams was questioning why he had to pay that. And where the second.
She explains calmly that she was only asking for a later time, saying she hasn't been home for months and has been traveling from Detroit. The judge asks for clarity. Later than what time? She answers, 1 p.m. today. The court responds evenly, explaining that final settlement conferences and jury selection are scheduled in the morning. The matter is clarified without drama, and the process moves forward. It's a reminder that court schedules are structured, even when personal circumstances are difficult. If this helped you understand how court scheduling works, like the video, share it, and comment your thoughts.